Prime Minister. We hope to do some industries here. We hope to do some real estate. We hope to tap on services of oil and gas. Personally, I have a lab for checking the quality and quantity of the oil and gas. For Icon, you see people are putting on Icon. This is my company, and I'm also in the real estate manufacturers.
This area is underprivileged in terms of education. We need really very good educational institutions. We need investment in tourism, really, because the infrastructure really done here is a very good infrastructure to attract tourism. So that would be a very good area. But also, we are grateful because investments will create job opportunities for our people. A lot of our people here, the unemployment is very high, and we have a very young population. 70% of the population here is young people. We need the investments to provide jobs, job opportunities for our people, so that the quality of life of our people can improve, so that people can be able to manage and to improve on their livelihoods.
Expect an interaction.
Sure, we shall have.
We expect an interaction.